The server console also has a number of performance aspects to it. If I click on the advanced configurations over here, there's a few things that I would discuss. The first is the location of the server folder. Because Sisense imports data, it needs a location to actually save it on the disk. And this is where you would specify that location. Other factors relate to the querying. So you can specify the number of seconds to query before a timeout occurs. You can determine the number of query retries before a failure occurs. Some of these factors are less relevant. Another one that is important is around compression and recycling. At the bottom here, we have a command for recycling queries. What this does is it enables a learning algorithm which intelligently caches queries. Effectively, it means that if two people have similar queries, the response actually gets quicker because the part of the query is stored in cache and then utilized whenever a query is run. So this is an important feature to be aware about. Other factors relate to backup. So over here, we can actually determine if we want to do a backup of the Elastic Cube before each new build. Of course, this means that there's an increase in the time because the cube has to be backed up before, but you can use it as a way to introduce another safety mechanism into your build and server environment. Lastly, there are controls relating to the usage of resources on the machine. So you can specify the number of cores that are available to the Elastic Cube server when queries occur, as well as the memory usage. So you can set a specific amount to a dynamic amount to determine how both memory and CPU are utilized when a query is initiated.